Greetings, Earthlings. I am Professor Crowley. I'm here with
Trixie!
How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well. It's a incredibly sunny day today. We're actually on the balcony right now. Just Trixie's catching up on her tan.
Look at that.
So, in today's video, what are we doing, Trixie?
We are learning about the skelly bobs, the stuff inside of us.
Yes, we're learning
Feel it right
about
now.
the human skeleton today. So, let's jump right into it, yeah?
Yep. So today we're going to be talking about bones.
The skeletal system.
Yep. So we're just going to add a little picture here of what the skeletal system looks like.
Nice.
And we're going to start from the top, the head. And that is called, if you didn't know, the cranium. It houses the brain and protects the brain from bumps and knocks. And now we have the mandible. This is the lower part of the skull. It is the largest and strongest bone of the face.
Wow.
Now for the scapula. This is a triangular shaped bone and it's protected by its surrounding muscles. This is commonly called the shoulder blade. Onto the rib cage now. The rib cage actually protects the heart and the lungs. The heart isn't actually shaped like this, it's actually shaped in a ball shape.
It's like your fists.
Yeah. These organs are very delicate. You could get hurt, you could break them in a car crash, a really heavy ball hitting them, and even a really heavy sneeze. The arm is made out of 3 large bones. The humerus bone forms the upper arm. The radius and the ulna
The radius and the ulna.
are the 2 bones that form the lower arm. You have 1 radius and 1 ulna in each arm, and they connect between the elbow joint and the wrist. Your palm consists of 3 groups of bones: carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. The femur now, or better known as the thigh bone. This is actually the longest and heaviest and strongest bone in the entire human body. All of the body's weight is supported by the femurs during many activities such as running, jumping, standing. Now we're on to the patella, not to be confused by Nutella, also known as the kneecap. And it's a thick, rounded, triangular bone which covers and protects the knee joint. Fibula. The fibula is the outer and thinner bone in the lower leg. Its main function is to provide attachment for muscles. However, it doesn't give much support and strength to the leg. Tibia. The tibia is a large bone. It's located in the lower leg of the body. It's also known as your shin bone, not to be confused with chin. And it's the strongest weight-bearing bone. Just like the palm of your hand that we talked about a few minutes ago, your foot also consists of 2 groups of bones: tarsals and metatarsals. Now it's time for the 3 T's. The Trixie's Trivia Time! Did you know that half of your body's bones are located in the hands and feet? You have a total of 206 bones. Your hands and feet have 103, and the other bones also equal 103. And an infant has 300 bones. This is because some smaller bones fuse together to form larger bones.
Wow, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the skeletal system today. That was fantastic. And as well as talking and learning about the human body, I hope that one day we can actually learn about maybe the brain and how it's kind of like a sponge, you know, to suck up all the knowledge.